Here is another in my series of Tuesday tips.
Okay, another little trick that I do, I've got a laser laying around from my hollowing system or any laser that you've got, just a laser pointer that you point on the chalkboard with. And I'm going to use that to help me because it's really hard with a very uneven surface like that. It's hard to tell once you start cutting into it. Well, it's hard to tell until you start cutting into it exactly where the rim is going to be. So I'm going to take the laser and point at it and then spin it around. I can see that if that's where the rim of my bowl is going to be, I'm still okay. I'm still okay. It's still in wood. I'm still okay. So I've moved this to create this axis. Okay. Now there's my wing. There's that area that I'm trying to protect. Okay. So let me move the laser over to be right on that wing. There's there's a laser right on that wing. Now let's see what's happening on the other side. All the way around. Still wood. I still have to take a little bit more off of there to get down in there. But you can see where the rim is going to be all the way around. That flat spot that I moved is now in position so that it's not going to go away, and that's going to be okay. And there again is my wing. Okay. So the maneuvering that I did, I moved this over a little bit and I moved the tailstock over a little bit. So I don't have to make the bowl diameter so small now because this chainsaw cut was there. I moved it all over to continue to have that. But the laser can be a great way to look at where your rim is. It can also be a way, if I'm going to shine it directly down the parallel to my tool rest or parallel to the bed of the lathe, it can also show me the diameter of my piece. So if the diameter here is hitting close, so that would be a diameter that I don't want to go past that. But now I've got wood all the way along here. It's shining on that wing area that I'm looking for. It's still there, it's still there, it's still there, it's still there. So there's a fat spot right in here that's going to go away, and that's quite all right. Okay, so I can see the diameter of the piece, and I can see the rim of the piece by shining a laser on that uneven surface. A cool little trick there.
Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and we'll see you next time.